Everyone, welcome back to ReactX Native Code. Today I am super excited because I want to show you a platform I recently built for a React and React Native interview preparation. So, as you know, lots of developers are struggling what we need to prepare. So, what to study, which questions are important, React Native architecture topics, JavaScript coding rounds, machine coding, front end system designing. So I decided to build my own preparation platform called React Preparation. Okay, so this is the website which I developed into the Next.js. So here you go in. Okay, so currently it's running into the local host. So you don't need to pay any money to prepare yourself for the interview rounds. Just click on the Start Learning button, and then you can see we have a roadmap here. You need to learn first JavaScript, TypeScript, React.js, and the React Native. And if you are from the native Android background, you need to learn React Native and then native iOS, system designs, and the HR leadership. So these question you need to prepare it. So just go to the JavaScript inside. Now we are showing around 100 question for the JavaScript. 100 to 200 questions we have, which most recently asked into the MNC companies like Amazon, TCS, Infosys, Razorpay, Flipkart, Meta. Okay, so you need to prepare this question. I definitely sure you will crack the interview. You just need to give 1 hour, 2 hour in a day, and then you can crack the interview questions. Sorry, you can crack your interview. So just go. Now you can see we have right now 3 pages. In one page, we have around 20 to 40 questions. Okay, now I show you which recently most asked in MNC company when I give the interview. Valid parenthesis question they ask and the group anagrams. So you just need to click on the solve button. Here they are saying show me your screen, and I give you the output. Now you need to give me the I give you the input, you need to give the output like this. So you just need to see step by step approaches how you solve this problem. Okay, and here we have the approaches for the beginners and for the optimized approach to solve the issue. And we also have the edge cases to consider: empty array, string array, and string with the empty array characters. And we also showing here time complexity and the space complexity of this program. And after some time the interviewer asks you the follow-up question, which is related with this: how would you handle this string with Unicode characters or a number? So you need to prepare this question by yourself. And we also have a playground button here. You just need to click on this and write your program and see the output. Now you can see test pass and the result is 7. So you can do it, you can write your own program and run. Let's go back again. Let's go back and let's go to the TypeScript here. So inside the TypeScript, these questions are most recently asked: difference between type and interface, any and unknown, and never. So we are from the coding round. We're doing some coding, so we don't know the difference between, because we are just creating the interface, creating the type, and starting the coding. So we here I show you the what is the difference between these, and can also give the example and write their approach. Okay, same here we have just I show you, just I'm just showing here what you need to prepare. These questions are very important. If you prepare this, I definitely sure you will crack the interview, and here you don't need to pay any money. Okay, let's go to the React.js. And then what is virtual DOM, you need to prepare. What is JSX, what is Babel and why we are using the Babel, what is the role of the Babel, and what is the difference between props and state. Okay, so some theoretical question is also there. You just need to go there and read this line and remind yourself and set these words into your mind. So when the interviewer asks, you just need to say what is the difference between the props and state. You just need to tell. Okay, and then their advantage and disadvantage is also there. So right now I just add questions into the JavaScript, TypeScript, React, and also inside the React Native. So let's go there, and this is the very important question. What is bridge in React Native? So just go there and see I added the image here. So you need to see this how bridge working in the background. Okay, so as you know, we have a three thread JavaScript native and shadow thread. So first Harmon engine is loading, then it's uh, passing data to the native thread with the help of the bridge, and it's asynchronous. That's why in the new architecture they are introducing Fabric and the Turbo. Okay, so you need to see this how it is working. Okay, and also the theoretical part is there. You need to read. Simple, you just need to read, and when the interviewer asks, you can answer the question very easily. And how does a React Native upgrade or simplify this pattern? So you need to also find this solution by yourself. Okay, let's go back. And if you are from the native Android background, so here mostly this question they are asking, what is the difference between compile SDK version and the targeted SDK version? Okay, so this is a theoretical question. So sometimes you are not able to answer because you know, but you are not able to answer. So you just need to go and read what is the difference between uh, compile SDK and the target SDK. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, if you like this website, so guys, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, I definitely adding more question into the Android and React Native, and also I'm giving an option here. You can also add some question into this. Okay, currently we are just create this project into the static mode. So right now if you if you subscribe my channel, then I definitely adding more question. So currently iOS system design and HR leadership, these questions are didn't update here because it's a trial version which I created. So you just need to go this website, React Prepare Interview Platform. This is the website. So you just need to open this and go and learn and do some practice. Okay, and this is my channel. I recently update the logo here, ReactX native code. Okay, so guys, if you like my channel, so please subscribe this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.